Hello and welcome to this tutorial and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you how can you make the data validation in Excel, or if you're working on analysis for Office, then how can you make the data validation, and which is a very interesting feature if you're working on Excel. Okay, let me show you that. Suppose this is a demo numbers I have written like 1 to 20, and I have created a cell like here, and it's showing a message like your input is outside the range. Like my input is 1 to 20 and I have typed here as 30. So how can we make it? So let me show you from the beginning. Okay, so let me just cross it and I'm opening another tab or sheet here. So suppose my data range that I have, suppose 1 to 20. Okay, just increase the value to 20. Now you want to make a data validation. Suppose you need to place a cursor anywhere in the cell here. Then you go to the tab data. You can see the data tab. Then go to the option called data validation. So click on it and you can find the option data validation. Click on it. And here you need to do the settings, and I will show you everything regarding this style like stop, warning and information, and the input message as well, and the settings. So let me show you in the setting. First, in the setting, which kind of value you want to allow. In my case, I am selecting as list. So list means I have a list from A1 to A20, meaning that just click on this arrow button here. Now here you need to just place your cursor here and drag it till the end, and that's what actually takes the data. Then you click enter and click on OK. So then you can see that a drop menu has popped up in your screen. If you're doing any kind of calculation or any kind of project, so you can make this kind of calculation and you can take a value like this 16 or and 19, whatever value you want to take. So, and the meaning of this tutorial is the data validation. Suppose if I write 40, so that will it take? Obviously it will not take. Just click this enter and it will show that the value does not match the data validation restriction defined for the cell. So here this message, and it is a cross, means it will not be proceeded. So you need to either retry or cancel. And here the message you can modify by your own. So let me show you the next part. So go to the data validation again and you can see the option called error alert. So you need to go there. You can see the option called different type of styles like stop, warning or information. Suppose in this case I put as warning, so and okay, then now you put 40 here. So it will show you kind of a warning, but you have option to go for yes or no. So if you want to proceed with this, you can click on yes. So this 40 will be entered here, right? So it's called warning. So, and there's another information like this one, information, like it gives you some kind of information, and but does not stop the processing or does not give you the warning. So go to this OK, and you can put suppose 50 now. Click on enter. So it is kind of an information. Just you can click on OK, and it still takes the data. Now I'm now going into the modification. Like I want to provide the error message. So I want, suppose you have a stop you have selected, and you want to customize your message like the input is not within the range. Okay, then you click on OK, and now you enter any value outside this range, suppose, and if you definitely provide within the range, it will not have any problem. Okay, if you provide suppose 30, so it will give the message that you have written the input is not within the range. So you have to go to cancel. And now, so you can see one more option called the input message. The input message means, uh, the and it will show you the message just over the cell. So let me show you. uh, it can take only between 1 to 20. So I will click on OK, and once you go over the cell, you can see this comment have popped up, into your cell. So this is the way actually you can see various kinds of, data validation on by these options called data validation. You can see the settings, you can see you have these different kinds of information that you want to pass into the cell. You have the input message, you want to write it here, and the error alert. This is very interesting. You want to stop it, you want to make it as a warning, then you can make it as a yes if you like it, and information. So I hope you got the information, you got enough information, I believe. How can you make this data validation if you're working on any Excel based project, whether it's be a normal Excel or whether it's be a analysis for Office. So thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do so, so that you will be receiving all the videos that I upload next. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.